Children learn in the PYP in many different ways, but our main way of learning is through inquiry. Now, inquiry looks a little bit different than your normal traditional school, what you might have experienced. Inquiry can be loud, it can be messy, but all in all, it is about learning by doing, asking questions and looking for answers. So if you go into an inquiry in classroom, what you will see is, especially here at KIS, you will see engaged children. You see dynamic groupings where children are not leveled in any way, but are actually working together with the help of their peers and the help of their teachers, who are actively facilitating learning in the classroom. Units of inquiry, we have 6 transdisciplinary themes. Teachers plan according to those transdisciplinary themes. A unit is something that children must find interesting. It needs to have global significance but locally important. And it's based upon one central idea, an understanding, enduring understanding that the students are trying to uncover. Children can learn content, but mainly they learn about concepts, because PYP at its essence is a concept-driven curriculum. So a concept is universal. It's something that can be applied in any language, in any context throughout the world. During our inquiry cycle in the beginning with provocation and tuning in, the students get to ask their own questions and things that interest them within that theme. And then they will seek answers, their own answers to those questions, and realize that there might be more than just one right answer. So the PYP works in a way that we look at learning holistically. So most of our subject matter is being taught and covered within the unit of inquiry. So science, social studies, arts, we're looking them through the lens of those units of inquiry. Then some key components of mathematics, language arts, PE, music, we cover in more traditional standalone lessons. Currently, our KG is looking at family histories. Their central idea is historical evidence provides an insight into our family history and identity, to finding out their place in the world, looking their first understanding as a 5-year-old of what is history, what has happened before. So in a classroom of a 5-year-old, it starts with artifacts. They bring on items about their family and their family history. They'll present them to their classmates. They will invite their parents in to tell them about their family events and stories within their families. There are so many benefits for learning this way, but number one is that these children will cherish this as a moment where they engage their love for learning. The other one is that when you're learning through a conceptual lens, you're learning through understanding, you're learning through mastery. So whatever you're learning, you have an enduring understanding of that and you don't forget. So in the PYP, we see less of that, oh, children forgot it over summer, because we're looking for mastery of the content knowledge as well. The studies and research shows that the PYP students do better than other program students in the MYP and DP because they learn how to ask questions and look for those answers.